But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of break it down into categories. People either have an issue with one of three areas. They have an issue getting to sleep, staying asleep, or waking up energetic or well rested. So the biggest thing with all of it, right, to encompass the entire body, the best thing that you can do is that your body likes regularity. It likes to do the same thing over and over and over again. And as adults, we've kind of got away from this bedtime, because when you think about bedtime, you think about, I don't need to do that. I can stay up and watch, my shows at night because I got no downtime. I have no time to unwind. But one of the most critical things that I teach my patients is go to bed and wake up at the same time every single night. That's probably my biggest sleep tip. And you're like, oh, that's not a sleep tip. But it is, because nobody does it. Everybody varies their schedule.
Not me.
That's good. I love that. And then the second tip on top of that is that every hour of sleep before midnight is worth 2 hours of sleep after midnight. So now we're talking, I go to bed at midnight every night, 1 o'clock, I'm good, but I sleep till 9. That's not the same 9 hours of sleep or 8 hours of sleep as going to bed at 10 o'clock or going to bed at 9 o'clock and waking up at 6 o'clock. So it's so important to get to bed early, especially in the wintertime.
Hey guys, I want to talk to you about something that can lead to chronic disease. Yes, it's sugar. Over 70% of Americans are eating more sugar than they need to, and I was one of them. And I kept saying, this is my last time. I'm going to cut back. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. And I didn't. I saw all the negative health effects. It was weakening my immune system, and I just couldn't say no. And that's until I discovered some really practical steps to just eliminating sugar from my life for good. And I want to teach you that as well. So everything I've learned to break my sugar addiction in my 30-day Kick Sugar Challenge. You're going to get exclusive access to a private Facebook group. You're going to have 4 weekly calls. You're going to get an accountability partner. I'm going to be personally walking you through these next 30 days. The most important thing you're going to learn, though, in these 30 days is the mindset you need to kick the sugar, to take your intermittent fasting to the next level. So just go to chantelrayway.com/kicksugar to learn more. The best part is it's only $30 right now. That's $1 a day investing in you for 30 days. It officially doesn't start until January 4th, but if you join now, you're gonna get pre-access to the group, and we're gonna give you practical tips to not overindulge through the holidays. On December 15th, the price is going to go up. So click the link in the description and you'll get to go to chantelrayway.com/kicksugar and you can join the group for just $30.